We're now currently on every streaming platform in your living room. So we're on your TV, we're on your cell phone, we're on your tablet, we're on everything. And we're gonna be right there in your face with the Dukes of Hazzard truck. If you haven't seen the Bo Duke and you haven't seen my huge dirty train, you need to be here. All right, I'm gonna show you my dirty train, but before I do that, I wanna introduce you to one of our biggest fans. His son Tan, always watching our videos, and he's probably the guy that got us up here on your TV today. So I'm gonna introduce his father right now. This is Brian Patching.
Hi everybody, the fun guy.
Brian is an awesome guy. He is the one that bought the blue Midnight from us, and I think it's currently named what?
It's gonna be the Nightmare.
So its own theme as well, like the Bo Duke. It will come to life almost like a storytelling. So we're gonna go for the Nightmare Before Christmas, and its name will be the Nightmare for Brian. And he's planning to pass it on to his son as well. So
Yeah.
Orville's gonna be having a nightmare.
Oh yeah.
All right, folks, you can take a walk around it. So, in a previous video, if you haven't watched it, jump back and go look. We stole this front suspension off of a Volkswagen, like a 68 Sandrail, flipped it around and reversed it, chopped all the steering out, and we're gonna utilize that as our front set of suspension because it is a sprung leaf spring, so this will actually move. So we will probably be the, comfiest ride on the track. Now, as far as progression, we did get rid of the PVC pipe that we had up here. Remember I told you I found a pipe? If you don't, go back. Maybe you don't care if I found that pipe. There it is. Then we've got our rear axle going in next. We'll be putting that up on the vise, smacking our bearings on there, getting our sprocket in, and installing that. But in the previous video, we got this put in. So this is our center pivot point. This will not be powered. But I do have an idea to put an alternator underneath the seat and maybe run a drive belt to it so we can have onboard power while it rolls down the track. At least I can charge my filming equipment when we go on that big camping trip. So, oh my gosh, what is out that door? Woo! You guys know what that is, don't you? You guys know what that is. Get some rock music. Add rock music. Play. to that point where we ran out of scrap to weld together. We definitely need to work on the sides, so we're back. Let's grab a piece, get back to it. Is it rolling?
Hey guys, what do you think about this train? How's Fun Guy doing? What should he do next? And what color should we make?
And do you want to ride my train? All right, folks, we're wrapping up day 4, and I am sore. I have to tell you, moving all this scrap metal has not been easy. We're getting there. We're getting some. Didn't see it? All right, guys.
It's awesome!
We're gonna edit that. Oh, are you blind now?
Can't see anything.
Goodbye. I can't see it falling off backwards. So anytime I load something that's bigger than me, we put a camera on. Because you never know when it's just gonna fall off and make a good video reel. Right. I didn't even crash that time. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Just walked right up there.
We've been waiting for so long.